Hello, Jodi here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I wanted to share a recipe with you that I've made and loved. It's called Bath Bazookas, and of course Birdie's quiet until I start filming. So the difference between this one and the regular bath bombs is that this one, for whatever magical reason, just bubbles and fizzes better. It's really delicious and decadent. So we start with 1 cup of cream of tartar or tartaric acid. To that we add 1 cup of bicarb soda and a ½ cup of corn flour, otherwise known as cornstarch. So we give that a mix with our hands, get the lumps out. It's fun doing stuff with your hands, isn't it? And while I mix, I'll tell you a funny story about why I haven't made a video in a while. So I have a new camera, and as usual with new things, especially electronic things, I've been having all manner of dramas with it, such as the battery dying halfway through a video that I made, so I had to scrap the whole video. Yes, it's been interesting. So we'll see how this one goes. Fingers crossed. Alright, so that's feeling lump free. Beautiful. And look how much there is. We're going to make stacks of bombs with this. Okay. So this one here, I'm going to go with roses and pink food colouring because it's called Rose Bazookas in the book. That being said, I'm not going to use rose essential oil because rose essential oil is actually really, it's very pricey, it's very expensive. So I'm going to go with a fragrance, but let us continue. So we'll add the roses in there. It just gives it a nice, what do you call it, appearance in the end. Might even throw some more in there, let's have a look. That much. I think that'll be nice. Okay, then we add some confectioner's colouring, though you could, as you know with me, I always like to do natural additives as well, so you could add pink clay. I will do that. I'll add a teaspoon and see what colour we get. It's a nice sort of dusty pink. And of course, because clay is good for you, this is a really lovely additive. So I'll throw in some more, why not? Okay, I'm back with my old camera because my new camera just decided that the card was full, even though I haven't actually ever finished a video. Nonetheless, let us progress. So as I was saying, bath salt serenity. Get yourself a ball and roll it in. Give it a little push, push the bits in. You want to sort of cover that nicely with the pinkness that is the bath salt serenity. Alright. Another decoration idea is to have a nice pink ball . And roll it around in cocoa powder or chocolate powder. So then you'll have a nice dark outside Look at that, beautiful. And then we have a nice chocolate ball. So you can see here how they'd make nice pretty gift ideas. You've got the pink ball with the salt on the outside, the pink ball with the rose in the middle, and a nice dark chocolate one. You sort of let them dry out, maybe you can have pink chocolate, give them in a nice gift box, and yeah, they'll make beautiful gifts. And if you don't give them to anybody and you use themselves, you use them yourself, they'll be beautiful. And yeah, they smell great, although actually I haven't added any scent to it, but they bubble nicely. They're really, really decadent and lovely. So give them a shot. Let me know how you go. And as usual, thank you for watching.